Octopuses are actually aliens, and they have the genetic evidence to...
No, they're not. Octopus are not aliens. I've been over this before. They do not come from outer space. We know that. We know they evolved here on Earth. They are pretty closely related to squid and cuttlefish and nautilus. We have evolutionary evidence. We know that they came on Earth. They came from here, not from outer space. And the article that is always cited for this, and like the point of this, was a misquote because they said alien as in weird, not alien as in literally from out of space. It's a misquote taken out of context, we know this. And one of the most commonly cited evidence of octopus being aliens is that they have more complicated genomes than humans do. And by more complicated, it means that there's just more genes. Octopus have, I think, 33,000 genes, where humans only have like 25,000 genes, which, yes, there are more genes there. That's great. You know, it also has a lot of genes. Sea fleas, I think that's what they're called. These little microscopic animals that have like 31,000 genes in them. And you know it has, as far as I know, the most complicated and longest genome in the world? Fucking wheat. The plant that you make bread out of. Nobody is saying that wheat comes from space. Because it is fucking wheat. And so, it's wheat. And it has, I think, 100,000 genes in it. Genome length doesn't really matter that much. There are some viruses that only have 7 genes. I'm pretty sure the influenza virus has 7 genes. That's it. Another commonly cited thing is saying we have no fossil evidence of octopus. You know why? Because they're squishy and soft and it's all meat. There is no bone, and fossils are bones. Soft tissue is incredibly hard to preserve, and they don't have shells or bones or anything that would fossilize well. So there are not very many octopus fossils because there's not really anything to fossilize. So I'm sorry, but if you legitimately believe octopus came from outer space, I cannot help you because I don't even know what to say. They do not come from space. That is a complete made-up conspiracy theory. They don't.